How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today it is going to be day 19 and 20, I think. So I'm going to do two trade recaps from last time I took a trade, and this time, as you guys know, I'm back to Forex. But like, this is why I like making videos, because I could talk and actually watch them back, in the future. And someone who is thinking about starting trading can watch these and understand what type of emotions you feel. Like, right now I want to switch back to Nasdaq a lot. Like, I really want to switch back to Nasdaq, and I'm not gonna lie, I think I am, but we'll see. So let's go over yesterday's trade first, which was up here. Let's go over this trade first, and then I'll go over the one that I did today. So 8 10 yesterday. I'm not even gonna lie, I can't really remember my bias as well. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, yesterday I can't remember my bias, but I know we swept out highs and then we looked for shorts. So there was this high, which I'm pretty sure, yep, this was Asian session highs. Now this trade, I could have actually won it if I was a bit smarter. So we swept out Asian session highs, we got a break of structure right here. Once we broke structure, we came up and touched the breaker block. Once we touched the breaker block, I moved on to the 1 minute, and we touched it with this candle right here. We got selling power out of it. I entered shorts here and I put my stop above the breaker block and not above the high. I should have put it above the breaker block, but yeah, I didn't. I made a mistake, and this really annoyed me as well, because you're gonna see now. So this was Asian session lows right here, and my take profit, full take profit, was here with no first take profit, second take profit. It literally came down, it got so close to touching it, but it just didn't touch it. And then we came up, we got stopped out with wicks, and then we came back down. This was when news came out, so again, it would have been a lucky trade. But yeah, yesterday was unfortunate. I should have put it up. If I put it above the high, we would have been fine, we would have took a win. But it is what it is. We're still gonna learn, and I'm not even gonna lie, guys, like, I've been feeling mad weird recently with the whole switching from forex to index. I need to stick to one, but forex is just, it takes too long, man. Like, it doesn't feel like day trading, it feels like I'm swing trading. It's annoying. And I actually took a trade on Nasdaq today. I didn't take it, but I put it. There was we swept out session highs as soon as market opened, and then we got a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, touched equilibrium. That's why I entered. My take profit was here. My first take profit was here based on 1 hour equilibrium. This take profit nearly got hit. It literally came so far down, but now it's going back up, and my stop loss would have been at break even anyway. I might have even just closed that, I don't know. But yeah, now let's go over today's trade, which is still going. I haven't been stopped out. My first take profit is based on 1 hour equilibrium. So from this low to, oh no, sorry, not 1 hour. Was it 4 hour? Let me see. Yeah, so wait, what? Oh, my bad. It was meant to be like this. I don't think one of the candles, I don't think this candle was formed yet, so that's why it's a little bit higher. I think it was on equilibrium, but one of the candles wasn't formed yet. This candle didn't go that far up yet, so it was on equilibrium, my first take profit. And today I actually didn't really have a daily bias, you know, because I don't know, like obviously it was probably wanting to be bearish because we had this massive fair value gap that we had filled and we hadn't got a reaction out of it yet. And on the daily we broke structure to the downside as well. So yeah, bias was bearish, but it wasn't really too. I didn't really look at it too much today. So we came up, we swept out Asian session highs. From there on, I'm waiting for a 5-minute break of structure, which we got right here. After we got that break of structure, I marked out our breaker block. Price came into it here. We broke structure to the downside. No, price came into it here, and then we broke structure with this candle here. Pretty sure, yeah. We broke structure with this candle here. The reason why I didn't enter here, I know here broke structure as well, was because there was a fair value gap that was being respected on the 1 minute. That's why I didn't enter there. So I decided to enter when that fair value gap got disrespected, and it got disrespected, and we broke structure to the downside. And then I entered there, and then on the my first take profit was based on that equilibrium. Second take profit, my last take profit was at Asian session lows. We came down, we nearly touched it, but now we are going back up, and I don't really know if we're gonna think, because the 4 hour might have just retraced into equilibrium and then might keep going up, but I don't know. Daily's in the downtrend, we're gonna see. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think I am going to switch back to Nasdaq. It's just I don't know, man. It's the emotions are getting to me, man. Like Nasdaq just feels so much better. Like the strategy works so much better for Nasdaq. The moves are quick. I don't care if Nasdaq isn't all that during London session. It's good. GBP JPY has been shit as well. Like it's not even that volatile during London session. The most volatility he's been getting is during flipping Asian session. I don't know. Like I used to trade forex before as well, and I used to not like it because I used to have to wait so long. And I like my lower time frame strategy a lot more because I'm in and out of the market. I love it. But yeah, guys, I think I am probably gonna switch back to Nasdaq, but we'll see. But 90% I probably will, and I think it's gonna benefit me a lot more. I think Nasdaq is a lot better. Every time I trade GJ, after that, while I'm trading, while I'm waiting for everything to get here, I always go on Nasdaq and I'm just looking like, okay, so if I traded Nasdaq today, what would I have done? And then everything just looks perfect. I'm pretty sure yesterday, there was a good trade as well, or it might have been the day before. I'm just gonna check. The risk to reward, everything on Nasdaq, like everything just makes sense, you know. Like Nasdaq's just amazing. I think there was an SMT yesterday, 1 hour. Yeah, so there was a 1 hour SMT yesterday on Nasdaq, and then on the S&P, there we go. It's already marked. So look, the S&P made a higher high, Nasdaq made a lower high, and then all we have to do after we get that SMT is literally just wait for a 5-minute break of structure, which we get right here. So we can literally just enter here, stops above this high, and then take profit down at, you know, these lows and whatever these lows. And look, like this stuff like this pisses me off because, you know, I'm seeing the trades I could have been taking. And one thing that annoys me even more, I made 11% last month. Why am I switching to forex when everything's going fine? It's the emotions are getting to me, man. But yeah, guys, this is day 19 and 20. We've hit day 20 finally. And yeah, the reason why, like, I love talking about the emotions and stuff, I feel, because I want someone who is beginning to trade, and I want them to find my account and I want them to see what is going to happen. Because everything I used to say, I took a video of my friend the other day who just started trading. We're doing it together as well. He literally just started. He was like, bro, I can't lie, I think the psychology bit, like, I'll hack it, I'll do this, I'll do that, mate. I took a video. I was like to him, look, I'm gonna show you this later on when you you know, get into trading a lot more. When you in a couple months, I want to show you this video and we're gonna laugh. But yeah, guys, I spoke too much this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time I trade, probably Nasdaq. I am gonna switch back to Nasdaq, so I won't be trading tomorrow. If I do switch back to Nasdaq, that is. I think I am, man. But I don't know, man. Why is this happening? I'm switching back to Nasdaq tomorrow. USD bank holiday. We're not trading tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time I trade.